guys, it's freezing today. Y'all know we've done some phenomenal Raptors. I'm Nsheppard, got Jesse filming here at Akins and Willies in Winder, Georgia. We've got so many Raptor business rolling out all over the country, and behind me we have the biggest and baddest Raptor we've ever done by far, and there's no denying it for many, many reasons. I want to first tell a little story about the customer. So Mike Singer hit us up from Miami, Florida. My man Mike. It's got to be one of my top customers simply because he drove all the way up here from Miami, dropped off his Raptor with us, trusted us, drove by so many shops and said, guys, do your thing, and we're so proud and appreciative of that. So a big bad, the biggest and baddest Raptor is all you got to say about it. And so Mike, thanks so much for coming to see us. He's flying up Sunday and we'll pick it up on Monday, so we're so excited for that. And just a truly great guy. He's a phenomenal guy. Really like him. Now, what I need to tell you guys is I need some people in the state of Georgia. I need some guys or gals to step up and bring us some, or come by and let's do some crazy Raptor bills, because people from out of state are just killing it. I mean, this Miami, Florida are going to change the game with this Raptor back here. So I need some people in Georgia to step up. We need some Georgia folks to come do some cool stuff with us, so we can have a little more, in-state rivalry going on as far as our vehicles and setups.
And I know this is the biggest one we've done yet.
Yeah.
But I think we can go bigger.
I mean, you always can go bigger. You always can go bigger, but it's
Go ahead and just break it out on them though, real quick.
Break it out on them?
Yeah, break it out.
All right, y'all. So it's been 2 years since I broke it out, okay? And I broke it out on IndoRaptor 1, the original OG, and it's time. It's time. It's time. We got to get Raptor, baby. Let's go. Let's go. We got to get the Raptor business going, fellas and ladies. What do you think about it? Raptor. My man Mike, let's do it, baby. So we got a 4-inch FabTech suspension lift kit. That enables us to run a true custom setup with a wheel and tire package. 37, 13 and a half, 22, my man. Now, don't be hating on the 22s now. Don't be hating on 22s, because this is just a killer setup. This is going to change the game on the streets of Miami, I'm telling you. We got 22 by 12. 22 by 12. Mike and I, we had a different wheel ordered initially, and then we said, let's do something crazy. So 22 by 12, negative 44 offset. This is a killer setup and stance. We did have to do a little bit of trimming, so we had to trim some of the inner plastic right here only. We've got some true surgeons when it comes to, Caleb did this build for us, and everybody at the shop really helped with this. Our painters, everyone just did a great job on this build for us. So this is a massive setup, and it took some finagling to make this fit, but there's no issue whatsoever, and you got big boy status right here, I'm telling you what. Now, coming around to the front, this vehicle was just a stock Raptor. We did IndoRaptor paint scheme. We did the side fenders, the front bumper, removed texture on the bump pads right there, did the grille, the side gills as well, and it's all a gate black to match. So look at that, that's that texture, we removed that. Up front, we did gloss black and did the Tough Skins carbon fiber lettering there on the front, just to make it really, really set it off. The previous 4-inch that we did not do this, and it kind of was lost in the mix a little bit. So this carbon fiber really just makes it be more custom and signature look there for you. Kept the graphics on the hood. Now, if you're in Miami, you got to have some Miami lights going on. You got to do it right in Miami, and you know about all the lights and the nightlife there. So a little last minute thing, we had to do it right for them. We've got color changing, daytime running signature lights. You got your red, you got yellow, you got your orange, amber, purple, and then if you want to kill it, if you want to just do it big and do it right, we got the flash and the strobe going on, and it's so customizable, all different configurations. Going to be a game changer. So we had to do it this way from Miami, y'all. If we're gonna be in Miami, Florida, where the nightlife is crazy, we had to show them that Georgia knows what's up to. So I really do like that a lot. That's signature. We did a Ronin stubby antenna just to make it look really clean and nice. That's a really nice touch, I think. He already had his lighting down below, as well as the 20-inch light bar in the grill, which looks killer. I'll show you that here in a minute, how it lights up nicely. But did Jesse show him that stance? Look how wide and substantial that is. That is just a money setup. What a big boy. And then maybe just right here, I mean, just look, y'all. I mean, going 12 wide and 13 and a half wide. And of course, y'all knew we was gonna run Fuel Rebels. You knew we was gonna do it. I mean, we played it out a little bit, but it don't matter because it's the best wheel out there. I think it's the best wheel combo out there for this setup. I love it, obviously. Coming around, we did custom paint match. The cladding we matched as well, rear bumper, and hadn't showed Mike yet, but we actually did a little other thing. There was a little bit of a wear. This was kind of in bad shape. We painted his tow hook and this rear bumper assembly. This is one piece right here, so the tow hooks are not removable. So we did this whole bumper for him just to kind of get the integrity back. Out back, the appliques, you know we love them. We paint matched that as well, remove that texture. Y'all, there's so much work involved, and Austin did a great job on this one. So many hours of labor goes into, I'd say it's probably 8 or 9 hours of labor just removing the texture in this, not even painting it. So we did that, did the carbon fiber from Tough Skins, and then that real nice little red accent on the F-150 and inside the Raptor there also. Just a money setup. I really do like that. Now under the hood, doing all this substantial work with added weight, wheel and tire combo on the lift, we love to add the Roush Performance Pack. 422171 is the part number for this kit. We love this. Roush cold air intake and a tune, plus 57 horsepower. So you're up to 507 horsepower with this setup. And what I've seen and noticed from personal experience, which makes a difference too, guys, that we love driving these vehicles as well, spend a lot of time with them. That added horsepower, fuel economy is better as long as you're not too heavy in the foot, which I am. And then, but throttle response is greatly improved, and just overall performance is it just kind of wakens that vehicle up. Also available on F-150s. It's a great kit to add to your F-150 if you got an EcoBoost. I want to jump in now, Jesse, and show them some of the lighting up front, and we'll wrap this thing up. So you got your amber there, which looks killer. Then you've got voila. Money, money. And I wish it was, we need to get a night shot of this, but I guess come on this side, Jesse. We got 12 rock lights underneath. We got the amber rock lights underneath. We got 2 in every fender well, and then we got 4 underneath the cabin. So at nighttime, gonna be gnarly, gonna be killer. So we've got a Raptor going to Hawaii very soon as well. This one's gonna be in Miami, and we got one in Colorado also right now. So we're trying to, place Raptors all across the country. So Wild Willies and Akins is just gonna be all over the country, guys. It's gonna be a phenomenal thing. I can't wait to see maybe some people taking some shots of this thing rolling down the streets of Miami. I'm so happy for that. And my man Mike, thank you so much for coming to see us, man. It's not just one of those things of transaction and roll out no matter where you're from. It really means a lot to us that you drove all the way from Miami and trusted us enough to leave the vehicle with us. Taking a lot of time out of your schedule. It really means a lot to us. So thank you so much, sir. And I mean, it's yours, big dog. I can't wait to stay in touch with you more, and maybe we can do some more collaborations in the future, guys. Real deal, Jesse, peace out. My man Mike, picking it up for his first test drive. There he is. Checking out his Indo. Looking so clean, man. Just a great guy and a very fitting vehicle. Just perfect for him.